गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर टूल्स टेक्निक इसमें बात करेंगे स्टेनिंग फॉर कार्बोहाइड्रेट। जो स्पेशल स्टेनिंग होती है सेल्स में, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, लिपिड, ये जो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स होते हैं ये पाए जाते हैं, तो इनकी स्टेनिंग किस तरह से करी जाती है। तो स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ स्टेनिंग होती है, उसी की चर्चा आज हम करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है वो कहाँ पर पाया जाता है, इसकी बात करते हैं। तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर इन्वॉल्व इन ए वाइड रेंज ऑफ सेलुलर फंक्शन इंक्लूडिंग प्रोटीन फोल्डिंग, सेल अधेशन, एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी एंड इम्यून रिकॉग्निशन। जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है ये है कई प्रकार के सेलुलर फंक्शंस कोशिकीय कार्य करता है, जैसे कि प्रोटीन फोल्डिंग है, सेल अधेशन, एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी, इम्यून रिकॉग्निशन, तो इन सब में इन्वॉल्व होता है। कार्बोहाइड्रेट डिटेक्शन टेक्निक्स प्रोवाइड वैल्यूबल डायग्नोस्टिक रिजल्ट दैट हेल्प कैरेक्टराइज वेरियस pathological conditions such as neoplasia, inflammation, autoimmune disease, and infectious disease. Over the year, a variety of terminology have been used to describe and classify tissue carbohydrates. The two main entities are glycogen and muscles are called mucosubstance. Glycogen is a simple polysaccharide that is widely distributed throughout the body. It is found in greater amount in the liver, hair follicle, endometrial glands, vaginal, ectocervical epithelium, and cardiac and skeletal muscles. Glycogen may have diagnostic significance in several types of tumors, including carcinoma, mesothelioma, and rhabdomyosarcoma. Mucin are a large family of polypeptides that are secreted by a variety of epithelial and connective tissue cells. They have function as lubricants or help with cell adhesion or host defense. The classification of mucin is complex but can be simply divided into neutral and acidic mucin. There are many subtypes of acidic mucin depending on their origin, epithelial tissue versus connective tissue, and their molecular structure. Sulfated, carboxylated mucin are produced by many tumors, including carcinoma, liposarcoma, and mesothelioma. फर्स्ट जो स्टेनिंग है वह एल्सियन ब्लू स्टेन, जो कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट के लिए यूज़ की जाती है, तो उसी के बारे में हम बात करते हैं। तो क्या होता है इस स्टेनिंग में? द एल्सियन ब्लू स्टेन इज़ यूज टू स्टेन एसिडिक म्यूकस एंड एसिडिक म्यूसिन. Excessive amount of non-sulfated acidic mucus are observed in mesothelioma. These flags are present in normal amount in the wall of blood vessel but increase in early lesion of atherosclerosis. Alcian blue staining is based on a group of versatile basic dyes that are soluble in water. The blue color is due to the present copper. The pH of Alcian blue staining solution is very important, has a direct effect on the category of mucin revealed by this method. The pH of Alcian blue staining solution can be between 0.4 and 2.5. If the pH of the solution is 1, the solution will stain the sulfated acid mucin. These mucins are mainly found in the cartilage, the goblet cell of the large intestine, and the bronchial cirrhosis. If the Alcian blue staining solution has a pH of 2.5. It is the carboxylated mucin in the connective tissue and the cartilage that will be stained. Second is mucicarmine stain. Mucicarmine stain is intended for the staining of mucin. Mucin is a secretion produced by a variety of epithelial cells and connective tissue cells. It certain intestinal inflammation or carcinomas, an excess of mucin is secreted by the epithelial cells. The mucicarmine staining techniques is also used for determining the site of a primary tumor by visualizing tumor cells producing mucin, an area not containing mucin producing cell, which means that the tumor is not affected, appeared in this area. Mucicarmine staining is also useful for staining encapsulated fungi like Cryptococcus. The principle of mucicarmine staining is based on the presence of aluminum that form a chelating complex with carmine. This changes the charge of the carmine molecule to a positive charge, which allow it to bind to low density acidic substrate such as mucin. And last finally staining is periodic acid shift stain, PAS stain. Periodic acid shift stain is the most versatile and widely used technique for carbohydrate visualization. From a diagnostic point of view, PAS is one of the most useful and used special stain in the pathology laboratory. It can help on the one hand to the different diagnosis of tumor and on the other hand to detect fungal diseases. PAS stain showed mucin, brush edge epithelium, basement membrane, glycogen and mycelial spores and filaments. The reaction with a periodic acid of shift corresponds to the oxidation of certain polysaccharides by the periodic acid revealed by a red coloration fixation of the shift leucofusin. PAS is commonly associated with diastase, PAS diastase, which digest glycogen but leave the pink color of intra or extracellular mucin persistent in undifferentiated tumor. This staining is useful for guiding the diagnosis to a glandular origin adenocarcinoma. It is required in the diagnosis of pathologies of the liver and the kidney.